Hello babes, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I reinstalled this hair from a previous quick weave. Yes y'all know I'm all for saving a coin, and you can reuse and reinstall your virgin hair bundles. So if you want to see how I did so and got this nice cute middle part with some cute wand curls, make sure you stay tuned. Y'all, so first things first, I am going to be centering out my parts. I'm doing a middle part and I am just getting my leave out together. You all know that I like to leave a very small amount of leave out, so that way it will be much easier for me to blend and also manage throughout the week. So I'm going in to section off that hair on the top for my leave out, and then also I'm taking a very small amount of hair out on the sides as well. Now I'm going to go in with some jam. You do not have to use jam, you can use whatever you want. This is all I had handy, and I'm going to just use this to make my hair a little bit more flatter and to help braid my hair down so I can prepare it to apply my stocking cap and my protection for my quick weave. So this is going to help mold my hair and all that good stuff before I add my stocking cap and spray it down with some spray. Your braids do not have to be perfect. I am not a good braider, but you definitely want to make sure they're super flat so you don't have a bulky install.
I got room in my bag.
All right, y'all, so we got this braid down. You feel me? We're gonna go in with our hair extensions. They're kind of damp, but this is, I'm gonna do a voiceover, child. I don't know why I'm talking. All right, y'all, so here are the hair extensions we're going to be using. All of the information about this hair will be listed in the description box below. This is actually hair from my hair company, Vivify Hair Studio, and these hair extensions can last you up to 1 to 2 years with proper care. I had a previously installed quick weave that I just washed out, and I washed my hair and then I washed the extensions. And pretty much what I'm going to do is just take those wefts that are already pre-cut on this cap, take it off, apply my glue, and put it onto my head for my new install. So yes, make sure you check out all of the information in the description box for the hair company down below. And if you sign up for my email and text alerts, you will receive some money off. So make sure that you do that. And now we're going to start the process of molding our hair down. So I'm going in with some hairspray of my choice. I'm using Got To Be, and I'm just spraying it all over the areas where I'm going to be applying any type of glue or the hair extensions. Taking my blow dryer to get that a little dry, and then I'm going to go in and apply my stocking cap on top of that. Applying some more of that Got To Be hairspray. This is going to ensure our stocking cap doesn't roll back or anything like that when I go in to cut it off later on in the video. So I'm just applying another layer, and then I'm going to go in, like I told you, to cut off the excess remaining cap there that you see, and our cap is not going to go anywhere. Moving on to the fun part, reusing our hair extensions. So as I mentioned earlier, y'all, I washed my quick weave and I washed the extensions and all that good stuff. And as you can see, I'm literally just going onto the cap that it was glued on from a previous install and just pulling those hair extensions off of the cap, applying another thin layer of glue onto there, and then applying those hair extensions onto my hair, taking the shape of my head and just positioning them in a C or U shape. And I'm going to continue to do that until I get to the top of my head. But reapplying your hair extensions is so easy because when they're already on the previously installed cap, as you can see, they're already in order. So you don't even have to worry about like which piece goes where. The pieces are already in order on the cap, so you're just taking it off and literally transferring it from that cap onto your head. So definitely make sure that if you are using VHS hair extensions, or if you have another brand high quality hair extensions that you're using, you should definitely be able to reuse them. If you cannot reuse your virgin hair extensions, then you ain't got no virgin hair. So I'm gonna go in and let the video play out and show you guys how I do this process. And you just want to place them on there in a C shape, taking the shape of your head and stacking them on top of the previous weft that you laid down, and continue that process till you get to the top of your hair, or until you get to the top of your leave out. Now that we made it to the top of our install where our hair extensions meet our leave out, I'm gonna go in and apply the last final few pieces of hair. And with this part, you wanna make sure that you get your hair extensions as close to your leave out as possible. That will make sure that you have the ultimate blend when you go in to blend your leave out, and it also will help with your top of your head being super flat. So yeah, once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and begin to take that braid down and blend in my leave out. And I have so many other videos of showing how, you know, I blend my leave out, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna let the video play out.
Boy, you too crazy.
You change me, you change me. You change me, you change me. You change me. I'm sliding through the night, I'm out in Richmond. You should come out to the bay, spend some time. I promise I've been on my best behavior. I've been drinking, I'm trying to get it on. You spend all your nights in the house, you know I understand. You know what it's like to lose a life, and I understand. You've been keeping to yourself until I found you. Girl, come over, I'm trying to get it on.
I need you.
You change me, you change me, yeah.
I need you.
You change me, yeah.
I need
Spent so many nights with different women. Understand, understand. I'm not that man no more, I promise.
Boy, you too crazy.
You change me, you change me. You change me, you change me. You change me. sliding through the night. I'm out in Richmond. You should come out to the bay, spend some time. I promise I've been on my best behavior. I've been drinking, I'm trying to get it on. You spend all your nights in the house, you know I understand. You know what it's like to lose a life, and I understand. You've been keeping to yourself until I found you. Girl, come over, I'm trying to get it on.
I need you.
You change me, yeah.
I need you.
You change me, yeah.
I need
Spent
you.
so many nights with different women. Understand, I'm not that man no more, I promise.
Now I'm gonna go in and add some really cute wine curls in it, just so I can give it a little voom, give it a little body, a little bounce, a little life, you know. I could have went in and just sprayed it with some water and brought out the natural curls, but I wanted to have a little bit more extraness because I think it was the 4th of July when I recorded this video. So anyways, I'm gonna go with my wine curl. I don't know where I got this wine curl. I think it was gifted to me from one of my cousins. I can't remember, but I'm just gonna go in and add some really cute curls all throughout the hair, and I'm just curling these curls any kind of way, obviously, just so I could get some body and some life into the hair. I'm just curling it in the direction towards my face. Normally I like to do away from my face, but today I was like, you know what, let's just do different ones. So super easy, wrapping it around. Make sure you don't burn yourself, because woo, I done burnt myself so many times on these wine curls. They get super hot.
I just need a little something from you. Don't wanna love up on you no more. I just wanna touch up on you. Feel that shit I used to like. You know what you're doing. Lord knows we've been.
And this completes the look. As y'all can see, I just put a little bit of extra Vivify in there, combed it out so it can have a little body, a little messy curl, and I am ready to go pop some fireworks and have a good time. So I hope this video was so helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it gave you some tips and tricks on how to save your hair extensions and reuse them. I do have a video up on how I take down my quick weave, so if I'm gonna make sure I link it in the description box if you want to watch that. But nonetheless, you guys stay beautiful, stay blessed, and safe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.